In this video, I'll be showing you how to use CLOUDFLARE R2 in order to upload files to Kiosk. Once you log into your CLOUDFLARE account, head over to R2 Object Storage, and then click on Create Bucket. Enter a bucket name. This can be anything that you want, and then select the location as well as the default storage class. This is completely up to you. It really just depends what your needs are. Then go ahead and click on Create Bucket. The object here will be your file. So I will just go ahead and drag and drop my file here. And then you will see it uploaded here. Then I will head over to settings, scroll down until you see the r2.dev subdomain. Click on allow access, and then just go ahead and we'll type in allow. You will then get this URL. It is a bucket URL or a base URL for R2. If I head over to the files page on Kiosk, enter that in, and then I will do /, and then head over to objects. Then I'm just going to copy this name. Whenever you put the /, it's always going to be / the app name. Make sure you also include the extension in the URL as well. And then go ahead and click on add file. And that's all that you have to do. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this, feel free to comment down below so we can help you out. Thanks for watching.